welcome back, I guess. So, I haven't done much since the last video because there's nothing much to do yet. But I mean, I'm almost done with the entire project. Uh, right now, I'm just cleaning up the code, making sure everything is up to standard, uh, following industry practices, and I'm also taking a thorough look through the database and the backend itself just to make sure there's no uh, vulnerabilities here and there. Uh, that's pretty much what I did since the last video. I did go on to write, obviously, make it much neater. Like for example, there's a CSS file, uh, given every function appropriate. There's uh, information and description so that when you were to call a function somewhere else in the project, you would be able to see what the function does and uh, how exactly, what type of parameters you need. So something like this, can you see? Um, Pretty much that. And I've been doing a lot of code cleanup, a lot of minor tweaks here and there. I did find a couple of issues with the database itself giving unauthorized access, so I cleaned them all up, made sure the permissions, the RLS policies were set. I did go on to write the documentation as well, so as in for the repository. So I did write a bit of uh, you know stuff for the repository, but that's pretty much what I've done so far. I don't think I did anything else apart from that. Yeah, that's pretty much what I did so far. So we are this close to like almost being done with the entire project. Oh yes, I completely forgot. How could I? Yes, the manual labor part. So the entire app depends on me being an admin and creating all the subs for every uni. For example, I study in RMIT, and because of that, I am responsible to put all the courses and their course code into the database itself. Now, this is a very tedious process. It takes a lot of time. Um, RMIT also hasn't made it very easy because they don't have any sort of PDF document. I mean, they do have a PDF document, but it has a lot of duplicates. But they don't have any standard way of me, using a crawler or a web crawler or some sort of a CSV format where I could just import the data. So I have to manually one by one enter the name and the course code. Uh, so by doing that only you can access, for example, let's say you were to search a course over here, you'd let's say test software, and then you'd see all the courses that are applicable for that. So I've done a lot of courses just for MIT computer science department. All of these are from the computer science department. Obviously that's just one department. I have to do for pretty much every other department for the entire university, and then after that for every university. So I would probably need help from different students in different universities at that point. Uh, but that's pretty much where I'm standing at right now. Yeah, so almost done. Almost done.